5 ways to avoid estate taxes. Estate taxes can significantly reduce what your heirs receive after your passing. For individuals with considerable assets or those who own a business, planning for estate taxes is a crucial part of securing your legacy. Estate tax laws vary by state and can present complex financial challenges. In New York, the estate tax exemption for 2025 is $7.16 million, significantly lower than the federal exemption of $13.99 million. Unlike the federal system, New York has a unique rule known as the estate tax cliff. If your estate exceeds the exemption amount by more than 5%, your entire estate, not just the excess, may be subject to tax. New York does not allow portability between spouses, making strategic estate planning essential. Tax rates in the state range from 3.06% to 16%. Since estate tax law in New York operates independently from federal law, consulting a lawyer about your estate plan can help you reduce or avoid these taxes. To avoid or reduce estate taxes, individuals must understand the best strategies for preserving their wealth. One way is by gifting assets during your lifetime. You may gift up to $19,000 per person per year without incurring gift taxes, and there's no cap on the number of recipients. Another strategy is to pay directly for a loved one's medical or educational expenses. Under Section 2503(e) of the Internal Revenue Code, these payments are excluded from gift tax calculations, and they don't impact the annual exclusion or lifetime exemption. Charitable donations can also reduce your taxable estate. Charitable lead trusts donate a portion of the trust to charity, reducing the estate's taxable value. The remaining assets go to your heirs. Charitable remainder trusts let you benefit from investment income during your lifetime, with the remaining balance going to charity after death. These trusts can provide tax breaks while benefiting causes you care about. Life insurance is often included in estate plans, but it becomes part of your taxable estate unless handled properly. Placing life insurance in an irrevocable trust ensures the death benefit is excluded from your estate. This transfer must occur at least 3 years before your death to be effective. A lawyer can help you determine if an irrevocable trust suits your situation. Another strategy involves establishing a family limited partnership, which allows parents to manage investments while transferring limited partnership shares to their children. This can lower the taxable value of your estate and offer tax breaks on gift and estate taxes. Qualified personal residence trusts are a helpful option if you want to pass on your home. You can transfer ownership while continuing to live in it under trust terms. Once the trust expires, ownership transfers to your heirs. This can reduce your estate's value, helping you stay below the exemption limit. Credit shelter trusts or spousal lifetime access trusts are essential tools for married couples in New York. Because New York doesn't allow estate tax exemption portability between spouses, setting up such a trust ensures that assets passed from one spouse do not increase the estate value of the surviving spouse. This can prevent double taxation and preserve more wealth for future generations. The process of avoiding estate taxes often begins with understanding the tax itself. The estate tax, sometimes called the death tax, is assessed on the total value of your assets at the time of death. In contrast, an inheritance tax is paid by the person receiving the assets. New York has no inheritance tax, but estates exceeding $7.16 million are subject to state estate taxes. Executors also have the option of using the alternate valuation date, 6 months after the date of death, to assess asset values. This option, if elected, applies to the entire estate and can result in lower estate tax if asset values decrease during that time. A skilled attorney can help you determine the right combination of strategies. Whether you need to establish a trust, manage gifting, or assess valuation dates, the assistance of a law firm experienced in estate planning can be critical. A law firm like Schlessel Law PLLC can guide you through the nuances of estate tax laws and ensure your financial legacy remains intact. Reach out to Schlessel Law PLLC to begin crafting your personalized estate plan. Call 516-574-9630 or visit our office at 34 Willis Avenue, Suite 300, Mineola, New York, 11501.